Students, today we are going to deal about some properties on set operation. We are first property we can take commutative property. Commutative property. This you know in 8th standard. In addition and multiplication there is commutative property. In addition, for example, take 3 plus 4, the value equal to 7. Now take 4 plus 3, it's also 7. So right side equal to left side also equal. Therefore 3 plus 4 equal to 4 plus 3. This is called commutative property in addition. Like that in multiplication. 3 into 4 equal to 12, you know. Again 4 into 3 equal to also 12. Right side equal, so left side equal. 3 into 4 equal to 4 into 3. This is commutative property for multiplication. Like that in set we have commutative property of first one is commutative property of union of sets. Union of sets. This is first one. Second one, intersection of set. Intersection of sets. First one is union of set means A union B equal to B union A. This is commutative property of union of sets. Second is commutative property intersection of set equal to A intersection B equal to B intersection A. This is called commutative property for intersection of two sets. Now we are going to prove by giving some examples. Example. Now take example 1.19. In this problem, A is given as B, E, F, G and B set is given as C, E, G, H. Now verify the commutative property of union of sets and intersection of sets. First is union of sets. Before that, what is given as A equal to B, E, F, G. B equal to C, E, G, H. This is given. First, union of sets. That is to prove A union B equal to B union A. First, we take A union B. A union B means A equal to B, E, F, G. B, E, F, G. Union, what is B element? C, E, G, H. C, E, G, H. Now, union of this means you can combine all the numbers. B, E, F, G, then C, E is already there. G is also already there, then H. This is A union B. Now take B union A. First write B. C, E, G, H. Union A, B, E, F, G. Now similarly combine these two numbers. C, E, G, H. B, E is already here, F, next in F, G is here. This is equation number 2. Now take consider from 1 and 2. B, E, F, G, C, H. B, E, F, G, C, H. these two elements are equal. Therefore, from 1 and 2, right side equal, the left side also equal. Then A union B equal to B union A. This is the verification of union of two sets. Commutative law. Now, second one is same like that, intersection of two sets. In this first, you find out A intersection B. Now write A as BEFG. Intersection B is CEGH. Intersection is common in both the sets. B is not here, E is here, then F is not here, G is here. So only two elements are here. One is E, another is G. Then E, comma G. This is equation number 2. Then B intersection A. First write B, CEGH. Intersection A, BEFG. BEFG. In this common between them, E is here, E is here, then G is here, G is here. So it is also E, comma G. This is equation 2. From in this both equation 1 and 2 right side are equal. So if it right side also, then left side must be equal. So conclude from 1 and 2. A intersection B equal to B intersection A. This is the commutative property for intersection of two sets. Next, the second property, associative property. Associative property. This is for any three sets. Namely A, B, C. First one is A union B union C equal to A union B union C. Second is A intersection B intersection C equal to A intersection B intersection C. This is called associative property for both addition, union and the intersection. For this, one more example. Example 1.18. Next property is associative property. For any three sets A, B, C, first formula A union B intersection C equal to A union. Next property, associative property. For any three sets A, B, C, first A union B union C equal to A union B union C. Second one is A intersection B intersection C equal to A intersection B intersection C. To prove this, we have taken one more example. Example 1.20. If A equal to minus 1 by 2, 0, 1 by 4, 3 by 4, 2. B equal to 0, 1 by 4, 3 by 4, 2, 5 by 2. C elements are minus 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1, 2 and 5 by 2. You have to verify A intersection B intersection C equal to A intersection B intersection C. For the left side, you have first to go A intersection B intersection C. In this first take the bracket. What is the bracket? B intersection C. Write the elements of B. What is the elements of B? 0, 1 by 4, 3 by 4, 2, 5 by 2. Intersection, write the C elements. Minus 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1, 2, 5 by 2. Now take the common number in both the case. 0 is not there, 1 by 4 is there. So first number 1 element 1 by 4. 3 by 4 is not there. 2 is here. 2, then 5 by 2. This is B intersection C. Now you have to find out A intersection B intersection C. Now write the element of A. A is minus 1 by 2, 0, 1 by 4, 3 by 4, 2. Intersection, already find out B intersection C is 1 by 4, 2, 5 by 2. In these two, we have to find the common numbers. G minus 1 by 2, 0 is not there, 1 by 4 is there. 3 by 4 is not there, 2 is there. So only two elements, that is 1 by 4, comma 2. These two elements are A intersection B intersection. Take it as equation number 1. Now coming to the right side, first you have to find out A intersection B. What is A? Minus 1 by 2, 0, 1 by 4, 3 by 4, 2. Intersection B is 0, 1 by 4, 3 by 4, 2, 5 by 2. Now the common between them. Minus 1 by 2 is not there, 0 is not there, 1 by 4 is both sides. So first 1 by 4, 3 by 4 is not there, 2 is there both sides, so 2. 0 is both sides, so include 0 also. Therefore 1 by 4, 2, 0 are the three elements of A intersection B. Now you have to find out A intersection B, intersection C. Now A intersection B is find out 1 by 4, 2, 0. Intersection, what is the element of C? Minus 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1, 2, 5 by 2. What is the common between them? 1 by 4 both sides. 1 by 4. Now again 2 is on both sides. Only two elements are both sides. So 1 by 4, 2 is the intersection of A intersection B intersection C. Take this as equation number 2. They consider both the equations. First equation 1 by 4 comma 2. Second is also 1 by 4 comma 2. So right sides are equal. So we conclude from 1 and 2. A intersection B intersection C equal to A intersection B intersection C. So it is verified. Now exercise 1.4. The first sum is given P equal to 1, 2, 5, 7, 9, Q 2, 3, 5, 9, 11 and R 3, 4, 5, 7, 9 and S equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. You have to find out three sums here. First one is P union Q union R. Second is P intersection Q intersection S. Third is Q intersection S intersection R. Now we have to find out one by one. Before that, write the elements of P. 1, 2, 5, 7, 9. Q 2, 3, 5, 9, 11. R 3, 4, 5, 7, 9. S 2, 3, 4, 5 and 8. The first sum. In this first you have to find the product. What is P union Q? P union Q. Write the element of P. 1, 2, 5, 7, 9 union Q 2, 3, 5, 9, 11. Now combining both, you get 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. This is P union Q. Now you have to find out P union Q union R. That is P union Q union R. Write the P union Q first. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Union R equal to 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9. Now combine these two. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 11. This is the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 11 is the answer for P union Q union R. Now the second question is, first bracket P intersection Q. That is P 1, 2, 5, 7, 9 intersection Q is 2, 3, 5, 9, 11. Intersection common between both the numbers. The common numbers are 2, next 5, next 9. 2, 5, 9. This is P intersection Q. The question is P intersection Q intersection R. P intersection Q intersection S. Now write P intersection Q. 2, 5, 9. Intersection S. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. Now find the common numbers. 2 is here, then 5 is here. Only 2 elements. One is 2, another is 5. This is question number 2 answer. Third question. First bracket is Q intersection S. What is Q? 2, 3, 5, 9, 11. Intersection S. 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. What is the intersection common? 2 is common, 3 is common, 5 is common. Only 3 numbers. 2, 3, 5. This is Q intersection S. The question is Q intersection S intersection R. Now write the Q intersection is 2, 3, 5. Intersection R is 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5, 7, 9. Now common between them, 3 is common, then 5 is common. So only 2 elements, 3 and 5. This is the answer for Q intersection S, intersection R. Okay. Second sum. Test for commutative property of union and the intersection of the sets given as P equal to X such that X is a real number between 2 and 7. Q equal to X such that X is an irrational number between 2 and 7. Before going to a problem, you have to deliberately to say what is P and Q. P is a real number between 2 and 7. That means between 2 and 7, what are the numbers are 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the set value of P. Next Q. It is irrational number between 2 and 3. The irrational number between is 3, root 5, root 6. Root 4 you know the value 2, so it is not an irrational number. So root 3, root 5, root 6 only you have to take. Now first you have to find the commutative property of union. First one is commutative property for union. That is to prove A union B equal to B union A. This is you have to prove. The left side is A union B. A union B equal to, what is A? 3, 4, 5, 6. Union B is root 3, root 5, root 6. Now combine these two numbers. You have to write all the numbers. They are different numbers. 3, 4, 5, 6 and root 3, root 5 and root 6. This is A union B. Now you have to find B union A. B union A. What is B? Root 3, root 5, root 6. Union A is 3, 4, 5, 6. How come these are different numbers? Combining all the numbers. Root 3, root 5, root 6, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is equation number 2. In both equations, the right side and left side are equal. So from 1 and 2, we can conclude A union B equal to B union A. This is the first property. Second is commutative property for intersection. Commutative property for intersection of sets. Intersection of sets. That is to prove A intersection B equal to B intersection A. First you have to find out the value of A intersection B. A is the set 3, 4, 5, 6. Intersection B is the set root 3, root 5, root 6. Intersection means common between the two sets. There is no common number, so it can be written as empty set or pi. Now find B intersection A. What is B? Root 3, root 5, root 6. Intersection 3, 4, 5, 6. Now find the common number. There is also no common number. So it is an empty set. It can be denoted by pi. This is equation 2. Both the equations right side are equal. From 1 and 2 we can conclude. From 1 and 2 we can conclude A intersection B equal to B intersection A. Next sum. A equal to P Q R S. B equal to M N Q S T and C equal to M N P Q S. You have to verify associative property of union of sets. What is mean the associative property of union of sets? That is to prove that A union B union C equal to A union B union C. This is the associative property of union of sets. First we have to find the left side. That is, first you have to find B union C. What is B? M N Q S T. Union C. M N P Q S. This is union of these two sets. You have to write M N P Q S T. This is B union C. The left side A union B union C. Write first A. A is given as PQRS. PQRS. Union. You find out B union C already find out. M N P Q S T. Now combine these both, you can get M N P Q R S T. This is first equation left side. For second right side, first find out A union B. First write down A is P Q R S union B. B is M N Q S T. Combine these two both numbers, you get P. This problem. Third problem, if A equal to P Q R S, B elements are M N Q S T, C elements are M N P Q S. You have to verify associative property of union of sets. That is union of sets. That is, you have to prove that A union B union C equal to A union B union C. This is you have to prove that. Take the left side. First take B union C. That is B M N Q S T. This is B union. C is M N P Q S. Now union of these two sets, M N P Q S T. This is P union C. Now you have to find out A union B union C. First write out A. A is P Q R S union. B union C you have to find out M N P Q S T. Now combine these two as union. P Q R S T M N. Take this as equation number 1. Now right side is A union B. You have to find out first. A union B. What is A? P Q R S union. B is M N Q S T. Combining these two numbers, you get P Q R S T M N. This is A union B. Now we have to find out A union B union C. Now what is A union B? P Q R S T M, N. Union. What is C? M N P Q S. Now combining these two, you get M N P Q R S T. Take this as equation 1. In the first equation we get M N P Q R S T. Second also M N P Q R S T. So from 1 and 2, from 1 comma 2, A union B union C equal to A union B union C. This is the associative property of union of sets. Yes, sir. This problem. Verify associative property of intersection of the sets for A minus 11 root 2 root 5 7, B root 3 root 5 6 13, C is root 2 root 3 root 5 9. Now how to prove that? Intersection, that means A intersection B intersection C equal to A intersection B intersection C. This is intersection of associative property. Now on the left side, first find out B intersection C. That is B root 3, root 5, 6, 13. Intersection C is root 2, root 3, root 5, 9. This is intersection is common. What is the common number? Root 3 is here, root 5 also here. Only two numbers, root 3 and root 5. This is B intersection C. Now the right side, A intersection B intersection C. Also you have to find out A intersection the same number. A intersection B intersection C. First write A. A is minus 11, root 2, root 5, 7. Intersection B intersection C, you have find out root 3 and root 5. For this, what is the common number? Only root 5 is common. So the only element is root 5. Take this as equation 1. For right side, first find out A intersection B. What is A? Minus 11, root 2, root 5, 7. Intersection B, root 3, root 5, 6, 13. Now common between them, only one number, that is root 5. Thus, you have to find out A intersection B intersection C. A intersection is root 5. Intersection what is C? Root 2, root 3, root 5 and 9. Now, common between those two elements is only one element, root 5. Take this as equation number 2. Now both right sides are equal from 1 and 2. A intersection B intersection C equal to A intersection B intersection C. So it is verified. Next problem. If A equal to X such that X equal to 2 power N, where N belongs to W whole number and N must be less than 4. B is set X such that X equal to 2N. Here N belongs to natural number, also N less than or equal to 4. C is deliberately given 0, 1, 2, 5, 6. You have to verify associative property of intersection of sets. Associative property of intersection, that is, you have to prove A intersection B intersection C equal to A intersection B intersection C. This is you have to prove that. Before that, you have to find out what is A and B. C is given. First A. To find the elements of A, it is given X equal to 2 power N. Where N equal to whole number means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. At the same time, N must be less than 4. So here, N equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 only we have to take. Now substitute these values here. First put X equal to N equal to 0. We get 2 power 0. Any number power 0 is 1. Then N equal to 1. That is X equal to 2 power 1. 2 power 1 equal to 2. Then N equal to 2. Then X equal to 2 power 2. 2 square 2 into 2 4. Then N equal to 3. X equal to 2 power 3. It is 2 into 2 into 2. Multiply you get 8. So the set A comes to the answer A equal to the numbers 1, 2, 4, 8. 1, 2, 4, 8. This is the set of A. Now we have to find the set of B. B is what? X equal to 2 power 2n. X equal to 2n. Here n belongs to natural number. That means 1, 2, 3, etc. Here n must be less than or equal to 4. Less than or equal to 4 means 1, 2, 3, 4. These four numbers must come here. So substitute one by one. N equal to 1. You get x equal to 2 into 1, 2. Then n equal to 2. X equal to 2 into 2, 4. Then n equal to 3. X equal to 2 into 3 equal to 6. Then n equal to 4. X equal to 2 into 4 equal to 8. So the set B equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. So we came to the conclusion here. What is A? We find out 1, 2, 4, 8. B is 2, 4, 6, 8. C is given us 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 5, 6. Now you have to prove that this law A intersection B intersection C equal to A intersection B intersection C. For that side you have to find out B intersection C. B intersection C. What is common between them? 2 is common, 6 is common, only two elements, 2 and 6. Then A intersection B intersection C. What is A? 1, 2, 4, 8. 1, 2, 4, 8. Intersection 2, 6. The common number is only one element, that is 2 only. This is equation number 1. Now right side first find A intersection B. Common between A and B. 2 is common, 4 is common, 8 also common. 2, 4, 8. Now you have to find out A intersection C. 2, 4, 8. C is only one element, 2 only. So this is only one element, has 2. Equation 2. So right sides are equal from 1 and 2. 1, 2, we verified A intersection B intersection C equal to A intersection B intersection C. That is the associative property for intersection of sets is verified.